This tutorial introduces you to the back office system and walks you through managing bookings, funds, and transactions. Before getting started, make sure you have access to your back office account. If you don't, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide on setup, login, and customizing your site. This is your back office interface, where you can directly book flights without using any payment gateways. Now let's learn about how to manage bookings in the back office. First, go to your booking management options. Then, click on Flight Booking to view a complete list of all flight bookings made by your passengers. This is your flight booking page, where you can access passenger details such as booking dates and passenger names. You also have the option to visit each passenger's e-ticket page for more detailed information. Additionally, you can export the booking details and download them directly from here. In this section, you can see a graphical chart that visually represents your site's new bookings. This feature helping you quickly track recent activity and monitor the overall performance of your site. In this section, you have different options to quickly find passenger details, such as their booking information, travel dates, and personal data. Next, go to the second option under Manage Booking and click on Hotel Booking to switch to Hotel Booking Management. This page is managing all your hotel bookings, where you can view reservations, check guest details, and handle booking updates efficiently. This graph chart helps to easily access hotel booking details. In this interface, you can view complete customer details and efficiently manage their hotel bookings. You also have the option to visit each customer's individual booking. Next, click on Manage Funds. In this section, you will find two options. The first is Transaction History, where you can track your transactions, and the second is Add Funds, which allows you to add money to your account. Click on Transaction History to review the complete history of all your transactions and see where your funds have been used. If your wallet is charged, you can check every detail, including how much fund has been used for each reason and how much balance is remaining. After clicking on Transaction History, you will be able to view all your funds along with a graphical chart. This feature allows you to easily track daily funds and monitor all transaction details in a clear and organized way. Here, you can view detailed transaction records, including the amount, date, currency type, and the credited amounts for both hotel bookings and flight bookings. Click Add Fund to add fund to your account. These bank details are necessary for transferring funds. Please ensure that you fill them in correctly. After this, you can easily view your wallet transactions in the Transaction History section. Fill in these required details carefully. You can deposit the amount into the given bank account. Once the amount is credited, you will be able to make bookings directly using your wallet funds. You can add your markups as per your preference by simply going to the Settings section. Before applying markups, it's recommended to check your site to see the current amounts prior to adding any markups. Now that I'm on my site, I will check the current amounts before applying any markups. Next, I click on Search to begin finding available flights. The system to locate the best flight options for me. Now I'm waiting. I'm ClickBook now. Now we see the pricing details before markups. Now, we return to the back office and click on Settings to add markups. Click Next to go to the next page. Click Next again to continue. Click on Flight Markup. Fill in the field with your desired markup amount. Click Next to move forward to the following step in the markup process. After applying the markups, we go back to our booking site to see the updated prices. Click Next again to continue through the configuration stages. Click Next once more to advance to the final setup screen. Click Push Live to apply your markup changes and make them active. You will receive this "Thank you" message after your markup has been successfully published. Now, return to your site and refresh the page to view the results of your applied markup. Now, you can view the results of your applied markup here and see that the prices have been updated accordingly. Similarly, you can apply markups to hotel bookings using the same process. To recap, in this video we explored the general dashboard settings, including the booking tool, managing bookings, handling funds, and adding markup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.